My YouTube channel, and today in this video of JavaScript series we are gonna see what are the various events in JavaScript, means various event listeners in JavaScript. As you can see within the script tab I have given a single line comment, so these are the events we are gonna see in this video. So the first one is the onchange event, the second is the onclick, the third is the onmouseover, and the fourth one is the onmouseout, and the fifth is the onload. So let's begin stepwise. So first we are gonna see is onchange event. So onchange event is basically used with the select tag, select HTML element. So we are gonna create a select, we'll assign its ID as my select, and will give us on change call my function, right? So within this I'll give is option over here as already just selected it. Control C, Control V, Control V. Oh yes, BMW and Mercedes, suppose, just for reference. Just save this, and on change of the options you need to call the my function. So within the script tag I will define the my function and initially function. So this will be the function, then the function definition, and within the function definition what I'm gonna do is I want to alert, hey, you change your preference. Yes, you change your preference. It should alert this when you change the select option. So yeah, the select option is fine, the my function. Just save this and open in browser. You can see the select tag, this button you are seeing, because I have defined the button. Let's have a look afterwards. So just as soon as I select another option it will pop up, it should pop up. Yes, you can see, hey, you changed your preference. Okay, again I select some another option, suppose Mercedes, it will again pop up, hey, you changed your preference. So in this way you can create an onchange event listener. So let's have a look at another one. So this was for onchange, right? So we are gonna have a look at the next is onclick. So onclick is basically used for the button. So over here you can see I have created a button element and onclick, and within that onclick it should execute something. So what I'm gonna do is when you click this button you should document dot get element by ID, and that ID will be, make sure to have a single quotes, because in the outside you have a double quote. So within that you should have a single quote, otherwise it will not execute the code properly. So document dot get element by ID, I want to display within the paragraph tag this one as demo dot inner HTML, as suppose I want to display a date function. Just save this. So when you click on this button it should display the current date and time in this paragraph tag. So just save all this, go to the page, refresh it. So as soon as I click on click me, it should display, yes, it's displaying the date and the time. Okay, so this one is for onClick. sorry, this is not JavaScript, so I cannot write it over here. So this one is for onClick. Yes. Now let's have a look at onmouseover. So what I will do is I will give over here as suppose I will give another p tag, PID equals test. Just close this. So I will give another event over here on mouse over equals again this document dot get element by id. Just copy this. So when you move the mouse over this on mouse over, this is just a simple text, okay? So when you move the mouse over this paragraph tag, it should change, it should display a date inside the demo. Yeah, it was demo, it was correct. So just save this. Get element by id demo.inner html equals to dist. Okay, so just refresh this. So as soon as I move my mouse over this text on mouse over, just remove this one because it's already displaying that date, so I don't want that. Yes, we need to remove this one. Just save this. Just refresh this page. So you can see as soon as I moved my mouse on mouse over, the text, the date was being displayed in the paragraph tag. Again, you have a look at it. Yep, on mouse over is being fired, event is being fired. So now let's have a look at on mouse out. So let's change this only. On mouse out, just save this. So as soon as I move my mouse out, this text on mouse out, so it should display the date in this paragraph tag. So I just refresh this page, go on this text. As soon as I move my mouse out, yes, you can see the date has been displayed. Again, mouse over the text, again away from the text, yes, the data is being displayed. This is the mouse out event. Now let's have a look at the onload event. So in the onload event is mostly used with the body tag. So I will give as onload equals call my function. So my function is being already displayed, so just save this. It should call this function alert. Hey, have you changed the preference? So hey, you loaded the page. Just save this, just refresh. As you can see, hey, you loaded the page. Okay, again, hey, you loaded the page. Okay, so we have looked at onchange event, onclick, onmouseover, onmouseout, and onload event in JavaScript. So I hope you have understand how to use various event listeners in JavaScript. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for further JavaScript videos. Till then, take care and thanks a lot.